Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a detailed review of the brand new Vivo X200 Pro. This phone is packed with incredible specifications and features, making it a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market. So let's take a closer look at everything this phone has to offer, starting from the design and build quality. The Vivo X200 Pro is a stunning piece of technology. It comes with dimensions of 162.4 by 76 by 8.2 millimeters or 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs either 223 grams or 228 grams, depending on the version. The build is premium with a glass front, an aluminum alloy frame, and the choice of either a glass back or a glass fiber back. What's more, it's IP68, IP69 dust, and water resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Available in Cosmos Black, Titanium Gray, Blue, and White, the phone offers some amazing color options to suit your style. Now, let's talk about the display. The Vivo X200 Pro features a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It supports 1 billion colors, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, making it perfect for watching videos or gaming. It boasts an incredible 4500 nits peak brightness, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and of course, the under-display fingerprint sensor adds a layer of convenience and security. Powering the Vivo X200 Pro is a 6000 mAh SiC battery. This massive battery ensures you'll easily get through a full day of heavy usage. When it comes to charging, the phone supports 90 watts wired charging, 30 watts wireless charging, and even reverse wired charging. On the software front, the Vivo X200 Pro runs on Android 15. It also offers up to 4 major Android upgrades, which ensures the phone will stay relevant for years. The interface is powered by FunTouch 15 for international users, or Origin OS 5 for those in China. Under the hood, the phone is equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, built on a 3nm process. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the Vivo X200 Pro, the cameras. On the back, you get a triple camera setup. 50 megapixel wide camera, 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera. On the front, there's a 32 megapixel ultra-wide selfie camera. The rear camera can record videos in up to 8K at 30 FPS, as well as 4K at 3060 120 FPS, with support for gyro EIS, 10-bit log, and Dolby Vision HDR for professional-grade video quality. The front camera records videos in 4K at 3060 FPS. When it comes to storage, the Vivo X200 Pro doesn't disappoint. It offers 3 configurations: 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 16GB RAM, 1TB with 16GB RAM, with UFS 4.0 technology. Unfortunately, there's no card slot for expandable storage, but with up to 1TB of internal storage, it's unlikely you'll need it. Finally, let's touch on connectivity and additional features. The Vivo X200 Pro supports NFC, an infrared port, USB Type-C 3.2 port, with OTG support for fast data transfers. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, which is something to keep in mind if you prefer wired headphones. So that's everything you need to know about the Vivo X200 Pro. With its stunning design, incredible display, powerful cameras, and top-notch performance, it's a phone that truly stands out in the flagship market. Let me know in the comments if this is a phone you're excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.